Tyre thought her island fortress was eternal, but the pride of the seas is brought low, sinking into the deep. Every empire built on stone and gold will one day return to the dust. Corrupted by beauty, blinded by splendor, when the heart worships itself, the crown turns to ash. God resists the proud, but gives grace to the humble. The Pharaoh of Egypt, the monster in the Nile, finds his strength is but a broken reed. No monument is high enough to escape the reach of the sovereign Lord. The message arrives through the desert dust. The city has fallen. The era of the temple is over, but the era of the Spirit is about to begin. Woe to the leaders who fed themselves while the flock scattered. The sheep are cold, hungry, and lost in the thorns, abandoned by those who are called to protect them. Behold the true shepherd. I will search for the lost. I will bind up the injured. I will lead my people to the quiet waters and the green pastures of peace. The ultimate miracle. I will take away your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. My spirit will live within you, and you will finally walk in my ways.